Want to know how to add a summary of each step in the output? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, adding a summary of each step is super simple. So what you need to do is, let's just make it as a comment. So I'm just going to select the entire code. You can just simply open up Versa AI, and I have this is our code we can write here. We can just simply open up any code that you like. So we have also created some videos regarding Versa AI, so make sure to watch it. It's on our channel. So since we are modifying the code, just simply type quick edit right here. And now on the prompt bar, just simply type in this small prompt. Now just simply select enter. Once everything is done, and it will generate you your code right here. And that's it, super simple and easy. Now you can just simply select keep in order to keep the code, or just modify it accordingly as you want. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of the similar videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.